Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on Writer's Workshop. This is part 2, where we're going to see Writer's Workshops from the student perspective. So here, the student can see on their desktop that their teacher has created an instance of Writer's Workshop. Now, this student has already gone in and started doing the work. So let's see how they got there. So if they go into Edit, they'll see the first thing is that they are required to assign their writing to other students. This is an important step that the student might want to take individually, that is, assigning it to other students that they want to read their writing, or the teacher might already have made up groups in class, and now the student is following the teacher direction and assigning it to other students the teacher requested. Once they've done that, they can add their own comments to the reader and descriptions down here. They do fill in response topics if this is unlocked. That means that the writer, in this case the student, can define what feedback they want from the reader, that is, their peer. Similar to other parts of our tools, there are limits to the number of topics that a reader can be requested to give feedback on. The writer also gets the option of editing or revising the summary questions. They do that simply by highlighting the text and editing it. If they don't want this summary question, they can uncheck it. Now, if the teacher has locked these will appear as red locks for them, and they will not be able to make these edits. The last step for the student is actually to select the paper. So in this case, the student has already loaded up the paper by pasting in the text, and they can see that this work is already done. Students save and activate it for the student to get started. Now in part 3, we will show students actually giving the feedback.